Children, how are you? How was your weekend? I hope you are keeping safe. Last 2 weeks and last week we treated the volume of a cube, cuboid, cylinder, sphere and hemisphere. Now who can give me the formula of the following shapes the following volumes I mentioned? Volume of a cube is side times side times side. Volume of a cuboid equals length times breadth times height. And volume of a cylinder equals pi times r squared times height. Finding side when volume of a cube is given, we have cube root of volume. Finding side when volume of a cube is given is cube root of volume. Then finding length or breadth or height when volume of a cuboid is given, it is volume over the two given sides. Finding volume of a sphere, we have 4/3 times pi times r cube. Volume of a hemisphere equals 2/3 times pi times r cube. Now this week we are going to look into plane shapes, parallel lines and perpendicular lines, part 1. The topic outline is plane shape, which is parallel lines and perpendicular lines, part 1. Objective of the lesson: at the end of the lesson you should be able to define parallel lines and perpendicular lines, horizontal lines and vertical lines. Identify and write down parallel lines, horizontal lines, vertical lines and perpendicular lines in a given shapes and objects. Definition: parallel lines are lines in a plane which do not meet. That is, two straight lines in a plane that do not intersect at any point. No matter how distant the two lines goes, two of them can never meet. Parallel lines are lines which stay apart and can never meet no matter how far it goes. Even if you can see the two parallel lines, the one that is going down, there is no way these two lines can meet or intersect. The other one is going, you can see the arrow, they are going the same direction. There is no way these two parallel lines can meet no matter how far they go. Perpendicular lines are two lines that intersect at right angle. That is, when a horizontal line meets with vertical line, they form a perpendicular line which is at right angle. Example: AB is perpendicular to BC. BC is perpendicular to CD. CD is perpendicular to DA. In the second diagram, EF is perpendicular to FG. Horizontal line is a line which runs from left to right across the page. It comes from the word horizon. Horizontal lines are parallel lines to the horizon, while vertical line is a line that stands upright and or perpendicular to the ground. As you can see the lines, The one that is standing upright is called vertical line, while the one that is lying on the ground is called horizontal line. Examples: identify horizontal lines, parallel lines, vertical lines, and perpendicular lines in the shape below. The shape below, that is cube. You can see I numbered it A to G. You are asked to identify the following on this shape. Horizontal lines are BC, as you can see, AG, FE, ED, AB, and GC. These are horizontal line. Parallel lines are AF is parallel to GE, BA is parallel to CG, AG is parallel to FE. Number 3, vertical lines are AF, GE, and CD. Perpendicular lines are AF is perpendicular to FE, FE is perpendicular to EG, EG is perpendicular to GA, GA is perpendicular to AF. This lesson could have been a practical lesson. Had it been that we are in the school, it could have been a practical lesson. But even though it is not in your house, you can dictate all these lines in your house. Like example, the door of your room, you can see the sides opposite each others are parallel line. The length and the length are parallel lines, while the breadth and breadth are parallel lines. But when the length of the length of the door meet with the breadth of your door, they form a perpendicular line at right angle. Now bring out your exercise book and copy this example and draw all the shapes I gave you, and equally do this homework from Macmillan Champion Primary Mathematics Book 5, page 179, exercise 5, numbers 1 to 3. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Till we meet again tomorrow. Thank you.